So, where are you from? New Jersey. Is it very different from here? Yeah, like a lot. Do you like it here so far? Yeah. Yeah, I think so. I can show you around if you want. Like that. Okay. How do I say thank you? Danki is for thanks, and if you really mean it, masha danki. Masha danki. Di nada. That means you're welcome.
Need anything?
No.
Good night.
Good night. Esta hopi bonita. Hopi bonita. Almost. Hopi? Hopi bonita. Bonita. This is my favorite spot. My dad always says that it's our responsibility to care for it, to keep it this way.
As Arubans, we need to protect our island. Butterflies go through this beautiful transformation, this metamorphosis. It teaches us about life, about change. It teaches us about ourselves. You have to be as gentle and as free-willing as a butterfly. We need to protect our nature because we want Aruba to always be here.
They made this for me at my first communion.
Mi abuela
Her grandmother
enseñami compa
taught her how to make this.
tradición tan importante.
She said that it's very important because it's part of our family and because it's our tradition. Family's really important to us here.
Is everything wet? My dad! I've never seen him like this.
Do you like living here? Yeah, I mean, it's home. And I mean, for now, it's kind of your home too. Los You're too short. Yeah, okay, now orange No siya lanky. Di nada.
They made plans like